Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Doer. Today we're gonna talk about that how you can fly for the first time. Yes, you are listening very right. If you are flying for the first time, then how you can fly, how you can book a flight ticket, how you can get on the flights, how you can do traveling on the flights. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. And today we're gonna share information about that how you can fly for the first time in flights. So first of all, don't hesitate and don't worry about anything because it's like a riding a bus. Yes, you are listening right, it's riding a bus, but there are a little bit of safety concerns. That why it becomes a huge thing that people keep say that don't do this, don't do this, don't. Keep in mind that you don't carry any weapon with you, or any knife, or any screwdriver or anything like that, which can be used for hurt, which can hurt anyone. Yes, you are listening right. If you have any equipments like you can hurt anyone, so don't carry them with you. And if you have to carry, um, first of all, if you can't you carry any arms, but if you have screwdrivers or any equipments like that in which batteries are not present, then you can keep them in the baggage. We will talk about later. First of all, how you can book ticket. Just ticket booking is very easy. You can check out the websites we have given in the description below, and videos also provided that how you can book flight tickets online. You can check out them. Now after that, you have to book your ticket, take a print, and after that go to the airport before departure of your time. It's almost about 1.5 or 2 hours before. Now, and don't focus on her. She is just making fun of us. So after that, you have to carry your tickets. You have to go to the departures. But in airports, departures are two types. That one is domestic, then you want to travel in the your country, and the second one is for international departures. Yes, if you want to travel abroad. So if you want to travel in the country, we will talk about this video in just in your country domestic flights. So after that, you go to the airport, go to the departures, and check out or find your gate number. That can be found, you can found on
Boarding
the
pass.
tickets too. So after that, you have to go to the gate number, and over there you have to find out the kiosk or counter of the airline in which you want to fly. In which airline you want to fly, you have to go to that counters, or otherwise you can using a electronic kiosk. You can take a print out of your tickets. Yes, now keep in mind that you can carry 15 kg of baggage with yourself, and a 7 kg baggage in your hand. You can check in one 15 kg per ticket, and a hand baggage of 7 kg you can carry it into the cabin. So there are two ways of baggage. So keep in mind that if you want to check in, that should not be given limit on your tickets, should not be cross that limit. And if you cross, you will be you will be charged very highly over there, because that's the process. So after that, you have to go to the counter, and over there, if you want to check in the baggage, check in over there. And after that, take your ticket and go to the security, and you have to pass your security. You can carry your power banks or battery items into the hand baggage, because you can't checked in them in your check-in bag. So after security, just go to the gate number, where they will show you that where you have to go, and from there you will be taken to the flight via the bus, or just directly by the recline stairs. So that's the process how you can get to the your flight. And after that, don't have to worry about anything. Just go to the flight, fly where you want to go, and find out over there. They will announce you uh, about the belt, where you can take your baggage. Yes, which one you checked in, they will give you over there, and you can find your baggage over there. So that's the process how you can easily carry your baggage. So if you like this video and understood that how you can fly for the first time, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this, and never hesitate about this, because this is a general process.